Vitamin to repair nerve pain. Nerve pain, medically referred to as neuropathic pain, is a condition that disrupts the lives of millions worldwide. Characterized by sensations like burning, tingling, or shooting pain, it often results from nerve damage or dysfunction. While traditional treatments such as medications are common, growing attention is being directed toward natural remedies, particularly vitamins and supplements, as highlighted by natural health advocate Barbara O'Neill. This article explores the role of specific nutrients, lifestyle changes, and holistic approaches in repairing nerve damage and alleviating pain. Understanding nerve pain and its causes. Nerve pain arises when nerves are damaged or not functioning correctly. The root causes include diabetes. High blood sugar levels over time can cause damage to the small blood vessels that supply the nerves, leading to diabetic neuropathy. This condition often starts in the feet or hands and can result in symptoms like numbness, tingling, or burning sensations. Poor blood sugar control increases the risk of nerve damage, making it critical for diabetics to monitor their blood sugar levels consistently to prevent or slow the progression of neuropathy. Vitamin deficiency. Deficiencies in essential vitamins, especially B vitamins like B12, B1, and B6, can impair nerve function and regeneration. These vitamins play a crucial role in nerve health, and without them, nerves can become damaged and unable to repair themselves effectively. For instance, a lack of vitamin B12 can lead to a condition known as pernicious anemia, which may result in neuropathy symptoms such as weakness, numbness, and difficulty walking. Deficiencies can often be addressed with proper nutrition or supplements under a healthcare provider's guidance. Trauma or injury. Nerve damage can occur when nerves are injured due to trauma, such as car accidents, falls, or surgery. These injuries can sever, compress, or stretch nerves, impairing their ability to send signals to the brain. In severe cases, trauma can cause permanent damage to nerves, leading to chronic pain, weakness, or loss of sensation. Some types of nerve injuries, such as those caused by pressure, e.g., carpal tunnel syndrome, can improve with rest, medication, or physical therapy, while others may require surgical intervention. Infections. Infections, like shingles, caused by the varicella zoster virus, can lead to inflammation and nerve damage. The virus reactivates in the body and affects nerves, causing intense pain known as postherpetic neuralgia. Similarly, HIV/AIDS can directly damage the nerves or cause peripheral neuropathy as a result of the body's weakened immune system. Infections can trigger nerve inflammation, leading to symptoms such as pain, tingling, and numbness. Early treatment of the infection is essential to prevent long-term nerve damage. Chronic illnesses. Chronic diseases like multiple sclerosis, MS, and autoimmune conditions can affect nerve health by either directly attacking the nerves or impairing the body's ability to repair them. In multiple sclerosis, the immune system attacks the protective covering of nerve fibers, leading to communication breakdowns between the brain and other parts of the body. Autoimmune diseases such as lupus or rheumatoid arthritis can also contribute to nerve damage by causing inflammation in the nerves or blood vessels supplying the nerves. These conditions can lead to progressive nerve deterioration, which may require ongoing management through medication, lifestyle changes, or physical therapy. Addressing the underlying causes, particularly through nutrition, is a critical first step in promoting nerve repair. The power of vitamins in nerve health and repair. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes the importance of proper nutrition for nerve repair. Among the many vitamins, B vitamins, D, and E are particularly effective for restoring nerve function. 1. Vitamin B12, the cornerstone of nerve repair. Vitamin B12 is vital for nerve health and pain relief, acting like a technician maintaining the protective myelin sheath that ensures smooth nerve signal transmission. It also supports DNA synthesis, aiding in cellular repair. Found in fish, eggs, dairy, liver, and fortified cereals, it's essential for everyone, especially vegans and older adults prone to deficiencies. Health expert Barbara O'Neill highlights methylcobalamin as the most effective form due to its superior absorption. Addressing a B12 deficiency promptly can prevent serious, irreversible nerve damage and keep your body's communication system running smoothly. 2. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Shield against oxidative stress. Thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, has a remarkable ability to protect the body, especially when it comes to diabetic neuropathy. This essential nutrient plays a critical role in reducing oxidative stress and calming inflammation in the nerves. Two key factors that often contribute to nerve damage in diabetes. Beyond that, it supports energy metabolism, which is vital for keeping nerves functioning properly. You can naturally boost your thiamine levels by including whole grains, nuts, seeds, and pork in your meals. For those seeking an extra edge, consider benfotiamine, a fat-soluble version of B1. It's known for its enhanced absorption and effectiveness, making it an excellent option for anyone looking to optimize their nerve health. 3. Vitamin B6, the balancer of nerve signals. Vitamin B6 is essential for a healthy nervous system, helping neurotransmitters communicate effectively. It plays a crucial role in nerve regeneration, easing discomfort, and reducing nerve pain. You can find vitamin B6 in foods like bananas, chickpeas, poultry, and fortified products. However, it's important not to overdo it, as too much can lead to nerve toxicity. A balanced intake ensures this vital nutrient can work its magic safely. 4. Vitamin D, the inflammation fighter. Vitamin D is your body's quiet hero, reducing inflammation and easing nerve pain while boosting healing. It also helps your cells stay healthy by enhancing calcium absorption. You can soak it up from sunlight, enjoy it in fatty fish or egg yolks, or check your levels with a simple blood test. If you're low, a supplement could work wonders. Let this sunshine vitamin brighten your health. 5. Vitamin E, the antioxidant protector. Vitamin E is a powerful protector for your body, shielding nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals. It helps reduce oxidative stress and supports nerve repair. You can get this vital nutrient from foods like nuts, seeds, spinach, and avocado, which not only nourish your body, but also promote healthy nerve function. Herbal remedies for nerve pain, relief. Barbara O'Neill also advocates for incorporating herbal remedies into a nerve health regimen. These natural solutions complement the effects of vitamins. Key herbs for nerve repair. 1. Cayenne pepper enhances circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to nerves. 2. Turmeric possesses anti-inflammatory properties that reduce pain and improve blood flow. 3. Ginger alleviates discomfort and supports nerve function through its anti-inflammatory effects. 4. Passion flower and skullcap calm the nervous system, reducing anxiety related to chronic pain. 5th Street John's wort, traditionally used to nourish and support nerve recovery. Additional nutritional support for nerve repair. In addition to vitamins and herbs, the following supplements can enhance nerve healing. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids, packed with goodness. Certain foods can work wonders for your brain health. Fatty fish like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts are not just delicious. They're also rich in nutrients that help strengthen nerve cell membranes and combat inflammation. Adding these to your diet isn't just tasty, it's a smart move for your overall well-being. 2. Magnesium. Regulate nerve and muscle function naturally while easing neuropathic symptoms with the power of leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Natural therapies to enhance nerve health. In addition to dietary and lifestyle changes, consider these natural therapies. 1. Hot and cold therapy. Alternating compresses reduce nerve inflammation and improve circulation. 2. Epsom salt baths. Rich in magnesium, these baths relieve nerve pain and muscle tension. 3. Massage therapy. Boosts circulation and relaxes muscles, indirectly supporting nerve health. Warning signs of vitamin deficiency. Look out for these symptoms of deficiencies that may worsen nerve pain. Fatigue or weakness. Persistent tingling or numbness. Chronic inflammation or pain. If you notice these signs, consult a healthcare provider for blood tests and appropriate supplementation. Barbara O'Neill's holistic approach to nerve pain combines scientific insights with natural remedies. By incorporating key vitamins like B12, B1, B6, D, and E into your diet and pairing them with herbal remedies, hydration, and lifestyle changes, you can effectively combat neuropathic pain and support nerve regeneration. Have you tried any of these natural remedies for nerve pain? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay inspired and stay healthy.